A smile is a verse gifted by life, the first light of dawn, and the warmest dialogue between souls. Behind every smile lies the harmony of health and beauty. With light as our brush and zirconia as our ink, we write a new chapter of smiles, where material innovation highlights aesthetic perfection. Zirdent Biotechnology, based in Changsha, Hunan, boasts a dedicated team of professionals, including bachelor's, master's, and doctoral experts deeply rooted in the field of inorganic non-metallic ceramic materials. Focused on the development of zirconia blocks for all ceramic dental restorations, the company offers a comprehensive range of products covering various translucency levels and pre-shaded zirconia blocks. Guided by the vision of let more people use safe and comfortable materials, Zirdent champions its 100% Sinosera powder, ensuring a high safety margin for all ceramic dental solutions. As all-in-one zirconia block expert, Zirdent strives to become a trusted and respected partner for clients, patients, and dental professionals. Adhering to values that serve customers and repay the society: unity, innovation, enterprising, and responsibility. Zirdent is committed to building a dynamic, cohesive, highly efficient, and socially responsible team. Zirdent has secured dozens of patents and trademarks and obtained key certifications including NMPA, FDA, and CE approvals, alongside ISO 13485 Quality Management System certification. It has been recognized as National High-Tech Enterprise, Hunan Provincial New Materials Enterprise, and Hunan Provincial Specialized and Sophisticated SME. Currently, Zirdent ranks among the top tier nationally within the industry. Nano zirconia powder with hydrothermal technology is the foundation of premium quality, while advanced manufacturing processes and technical routes ensure the material's aesthetic excellence. Zirdent remains consistently aligned with the diverse needs of global clients through no-binder powder technology, offering a serialized product matrix that serves markets worldwide. This approach has established dual advantages in scale effect and performance leadership. The flagship product, 3D Pro Multi-Layer Zirconia Block, employs 5 overlayers 9 gradients to replicate the natural dentin to enamel transition in color, translucency, and strength, making it the premier all-in-one material solution for high-end aesthetic dental restorations. Zirdent achieve mutually beneficial long-term partnerships through continuous product innovation, iterative upgrades, and enhanced technical support. To date, our products have been applied in over 20 million dental restorations overseas, exported to 150 countries and regions, earning widespread acclaim from customers and markets alike. With unwavering dedication, Zirdent pioneers the way forward, using new materials as a bridge to connect every driven force, reach every partner, and inspire collective progress across the industry. When we view the world through the lens of love, a smile blossoms between lips and teeth. Not merely a perfect restoration of teeth, but one heart cheering on another. Zirdent, make smile easier.